Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Graphene Times heated eye masks. You can get the first model on Amazon for about $25. Check out the link in the description. You can get the second model on Amazon for about $20. Check out the link in the description. You can also get the third model on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. The first model is USB powered and works as soon as you plug it into a power source. It has 3 different heat settings. The second model is also USB powered. It has 3 different heat settings and a timer function. The third model has a rechargeable battery and can be used without a power connection. It has 2 different heat settings. The mask also comes with a freezing bag, which you can use for an ice eye mask. You can charge the mask with the included Type-C charging cable. A single charge can support up to 2 hours and 15 minutes of use. I tested the masks for a few days and I think they are very nice. In my opinion, the first and the third model are the most comfortable and they all feel very relaxing. So if you are looking for a heated eye mask for medical benefits or just for relaxing, I would recommend the GRAPHENE Times heated eye masks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about these products and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.